Good morning, everybody. It is about 8 in the morning. I just got out of the shower because I woke up this morning and my eyes were like, whoo, they were so red again, like red, like this color red. Whoops. And anyway, put that back on the fridge. They were like super glued shut again. They seem okay now, but I took a really hot shower and I kind of put a hot compress on them. You want chocolate milk? So anyway, there's that. My throat is still swollen and hurts really bad, but the kids are begging for pancakes and food, so I gotta figure out what we're gonna make for them. I need to clean up this kitchen because it's a disaster from yesterday. I know you want pancakes. Do you want me to make you pancakes? Okay, I guess we're gonna make some pancakes and go from there. Alright, I just did what I could of the dishes, got these pancakes going. I need to get a drink because my throat hurts so bad. Alrighty, so now we've got some pancakes and eggs. They're still really hot though. Maddie's are kind of cool because I put them in the freezer, but these ones didn't cool off yet, and somebody wants some eggs. Big faker. Well, we just got a call from our plumber that has been coming out here back in November, actually. I think it was the day before Thanksgiving? I'm pretty sure it was the day before Thanksgiving. Our plumbing, everything got backed up and stopped working, and we couldn't get anything down the drain, and we were hosting Thanksgiving and it was miserable, and we had to call this guy out here. And so he came out and he managed to fix everything. It took hours and hours and hours and hours. Managed to fix everything. But instead of, I guess not instead of, but by accident, he put down a drain cleaner before it was totally unclogged, and it actually ruined the sink. So I don't know if you guys can see all the stains. That's not dirt. That's actually stains, acid stains. And then underneath, I don't even know what we're gonna do about underneath of this. I don't know if you'll be able to see. This is really dirty. My mom kept thinking that it was moldy under here, but this is not mold. You see all of that? It's back there. That's from when he then had to take the garbage disposal out from underneath, and all of that acid went under there. So anyway, today they just called. It has been the longest process ever, but they are going to come finally replace the sink at no charge to me, obviously, because it wasn't my fault, but they are replacing the sink, so I am so excited. Well, there's nothing like, I don't know, having somebody come work on your kitchen that makes you clean it up real quick, huh? Yeah, look, I can see my counters. Go me. So I went ahead and I took out everything that was under here, so this is what I'm talking about. So whenever they took out the garbage disposal, the sink was totally clogged because the drains were clogged, so we had to take out the garbage disposal and all of the acid came down into here. And this is the damage from that. It's not great. It's not pretty. I feel like maybe I could paint over that or something. But, still sick. Can't get over this cold. Anyway, there's that. And sorry, my dishwasher's running. So, anyway, they're going to be here soon to work on this. So, I'm excited. Hopefully we get this sink looking beautiful. Alright, so now we get to figure out what we're going to be doing with the kiddos. They've already destroyed this room so much. I'm hoping that this doesn't take super long so Mommy can make more videos on nap time. What do you have?
Doggy.
What does the doggy say? Can I have the binky? You don't need it anymore. You're not sleeping. What color is the doggy?
Purple.
Purple? That's a purple doggy? I don't know. I think it's brown. Like your stinky butt that I can smell. What are you guys doing? Don't knock that over. Did you just run into the window? Alrighty guys, we are all done. Brand new shiny sink. So he said to have the underside of the cabinet treated and then painted, and to send him the bill for that so that we aren't responsible for fixing that on our own. I have no idea. I still haven't paid the bill from like the initial issue that we had back in November, so I'm really not excited to see the bill for that. They weren't going to give it to me or make me pay for it or anything until they fixed what they had messed up. So now that that's fixed, I get to finally pay my bill from months ago. What in the world is happening? It's almost nap time. It's 12:30 right now, so I think we're probably going to go down for a nap. I'm going to put this stuff back under my sink and go from there. Alrighty. Got everything put back. Good to go. Yeah, I got some other cleaning stuff right there that I need to just put back. But anyway, there we go. Nice clean kitchen and a brand new sink. What do you want to do? Monkeys? One little monkey jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more Maddies jumping on the bed. One little Maddie jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more Maddies jumping on the bed. No more Maddies jumping on the bed. Look at your room. Can we clean this up? You made a big old mess. What are you trying to do, KK? One little Maddie jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more Maddies jumping on the bed. What do you think, Kay? What do you think? Is your sister weird? Yay! Your sister is a weirdo. One little Maddie jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more Maddies jumping on the bed. Don't you bite me. Don't you bite those fingers. Nope. We don't bite in this family. We don't bite each other. We don't bite each other. All right, are we ready for a nap? Are you tired? Yeah, you want to go take a nap? You ready for bed? Oh, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. All right, monkeys, one more time. One more, okay? Say one more. One little monkey. Well, it appears as if Maddie is not taking her nap today, so I'm gonna go get her. I edited the vlog, and that is uploading from yesterday's vlog. And now we're gonna go get a baby or a toddler. They're not babies anymore, are they? They're toddlers. So, all right, here we go. All right, so the kids are up from their naps, and on these days that we got to my parents' house, yeah, I'm gonna put them in their pajamas. You want the owls? Yeah? I'm gonna put them in like full-size onesies because it's like it's like sweatshirt weather out today. Yeah, the owls. Yeah, I'm gonna put you in the owls. That's what we're gonna do. And you're gonna get the piggies, that's right. I like to just put them in their onesies. I know they're not gonna be doing anything where they're gonna get like crazy dirty. She's like trying really hard. All right, go to KK's room. Go to KK's room. So it's easier for me to just put them in like a full-size onesie so I don't have to worry about shoes and socks and all that stuff. And then also, it's really, really easy for if we're at my parents' house later till like 7 o'clock or so. This is all clothes I have to sort through. Don't mind that. If I have to, like I'll change her diaper before we leave, and if we end up being there till like 7:30 and they fall asleep in the car, it's really easy for me to just get them out of the car and put them straight into bed. So I usually just leave with them prepared to go to bed because that's just easier. That's just easier. That's just easier. Yeah. Okay, let's get changed. You want to wear your owls? Hi, Kaylee. Hi, pretty girl. I love you. Mwah. So fun stuff. We're home. I just put Kaylee in bed, and I'm going to be working on little Maddie here in a second, but we're sitting here watching Blue's Clues, and I'm like, why does my shirt feel so wet? And I look down. It has begun. I am starting to leak. So I'm going to have to go out and buy some pads, I think. Yeah, you're spinning. Can you jump? Whoa, good jump. Can you squat? Jump. Lay down. Just like a dog. Roll over. Can you say woof woof? You train your kid like a dog. You're funny. Can you show me your pillow? No, I don't want to go to bed. Anyway, so I'm probably going to have to order some pads, some nursing pads, or go buy some nursing pads or something, because little baby here. Besides that, it wants to give me some fun symptoms. I didn't have it too bad with Kaylee. With Maddie, I would like wake up in puddles. I would like soak through a pad, my bra, and a shirt, and then wake up in a puddle. And it was like I'd be 20 weeks, like not even close to having her yet. So we'll see. I don't know if anybody else has really had this issue or not. I was kind of curious to see, like, is that milk that comes out, like, is it colostrum? Like, what is it? And is it like a viable substance? Like, if I were to use like a collection cup that I just like wear around the house that doesn't have any, like, it's not like sucking anything out. If I wear a collection cup, can I freeze that and use it later? Like, is it good, or is it just like, I don't know, like, what is it? Help.